Introducing the 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.